Hello, Mike's back here. I'm in the basement and I want to give you a quick hack. Something you probably haven't seen before. So I'm doing a little piece of ceiling here. We're drywalling it, so we've already drywalled the first two. It's a small job, I'm not gonna get a jack or anything. But have you ever done drywall on the ceiling? Your shoulders get pumped, it's a little tough. But here's a little hack, something that will make it go by a lot easier and actually make it physically a lot easier for you. First thing you want to do is mark where all of your studs are, right? So all your studs in the roof, where they all are, mark those directly on your board. Run the lines down, boom, 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 boom. It's very simple to do. Just use a drywall square. You just need to make the lines one time. You line that up like that and run the lines down. Then, once you have the lines down, pre-start your screws. Look at that. All you need to do is pick it up, put it in place, and run a couple screws in, and it's in. It's a lot easier than fumbling for screws, having to reach down, lift up every time. You're just basically gonna run all these right in. Make sure, the only thing you gotta do is make sure you go in far enough that they stay, of course, but that they don't go through the other side, which none of mine did. Another little hack when you do ceilings, you also want to use some kind of adhesive. I'm using liquid nails. It doesn't really, there's so many different things out there, opinions. You just need some kind of adhesive. All right, so I hope this helped. If it did, please smash that subscribe button. Please smash that like button and give me a comment. Tell me why you would or maybe wouldn't do this. Thank you.